Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Today I am going to prepare pineapple upside down pancakes. These pineapple upside down pancakes have more nutritional values. Come on, let's get started. The required ingredients are 1/4 cup of milk, half cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar powder, required amount of baking soda, 1 egg, salt, and pineapple slices, oil. Take a mixing bowl, add milk in it. In the same bowl, crack 1 egg and add in it. With the help of the whisker, whisk this mixture well. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar powder, add pinch of baking soda, add a small pinch of salt. By adding this, it helps to give a good flavor to the pancakes. Add half cup of all-purpose flour and whisk it well. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now combine everything. Take a non-stick pan. Pour 3/4 ladle of batter onto the pan. Keep the pineapple slices in the middle of the pancakes. After arranging all pineapple slices, now add required amount of oil. Once bottom get fried, now flip to other side. Once pineapple pancakes are fried on both sides, now transfer these pineapple pancakes into the bowl. You can enjoy these pineapple pancakes with maple syrup or honey.
Thanks for watching today's episode. I'll get back to you with new episode.